What happens to a person in space when they don't have like all their gear on?
They blow up.
Even worse than that.
Pretty much, yeah, your head would just explode. So the reason for that is that the way that we stay, the way that we're built, is that in the air and the atmosphere we sort of stay together because there's air pressure that's pushing from all sides, and our bodies are structured so that we stay together when the air is pushing on us. So when there's no air anymore, then the pressure that's inside of us just kind of blows up. Okay.
What are some of the other stars named that you know for a fact have their own solar systems?
It turns out a lot of the stars that we know have planets have kind of boring names like HD 209458b and HD 189733b. So there's a lot of stars that have not super interesting names, just because their names come from these really long catalogs that they're listed in. So, and there's also like Kepler 4, Kepler 5. People give names like that to stars with planets.
Can black holes explode, or do stars just explode into stars?
Yeah, so black holes don't explode. Black holes just kind of sit there. But the way black holes are formed often is that a large star, a big star will explode, and then that'll turn into a black hole after that. But once a black hole's there, it basically just sits there. It's not going to explode.
I'm just curious about what you think about astronomy coming up in the future as a job.
Yeah. Oh, that's a good question. I think there will always be more to figure out, and I think probably by the time that so there are some things that are just starting now in terms of understanding planets around other stars. So in the last few years, we've just now learned that almost every star has planets, and in 15 years from now, when you guys are in college, we might for the first time know if there happens to be possible signs of life on other planets. That might be something that we might start to learn in the next decade or two. And there are a lot of people who are really trying to figure that out and set the groundwork for that to happen. So I think it's going to stay really, really interesting. In the next few decades, we might move from knowing that there are other planets to maybe having possible indications of life on other planets. So I think that's really interesting, and that's something you guys will get to study.
Well, thank you so much, both of you, for this. And boys and girls, I just heard from my daughter that you just had a baby. You have a new baby in your family. So boys and girls, can we
She's awake. Let me just carry you.
You want to say congratulations?
Yeah, this is baby number 2. Our son is almost 4 years old, and our daughter is right here. She's about a month old.
Congratulations, both of you, and thank you so much for the time. Boys and girls, what do you say?
Thank